Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Degenzoo token. Ticker symbol is Dzoo. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 16th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Dzoo token. So this token is being listed tomorrow, March 16th, 10 o'clock UTC time, on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, how you'd get this token is you'd simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Dzoo, and then simply just buy the token. It'll be listed for trading in the innovation zone. Withdrawals will be available the next day, March 17th, 10 o'clock UTC time. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically they have an Etherscan listed on here. It says they only have 3 holders so far, which means that Mexc Global is going to be either the very first initial listing spot or one of the first initial listing spots tomorrow. So this token is a very, very brand new token. Drops basically the same time as the Mexc Global listing. So that's super cool. Max total supply is 1 billion Dzoo tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. You can find a full white paper listed on their official webpage, which is Degenzoo.co. They also have a Twitter at Degen_Zoo and a Telegram at Degen_Zoo. So, it is a charity crypto game. Players are to kill their NFT animals. That's always great, right? The game is designed to simulate real-world financial incentives that cause millions of animal deaths around the world. Will human greed drive the collection to extinction, or will people's attachment to their NFTs prevail? So it sounds like you're trying to maybe choose whether you want to kill them or save the animals, right? So it has how to play the game on here. You could check that out. So number 1, it says earn eggs. Earn eggs by staking your Dzoo tokens. The eggs distributed daily will decrease over time. Eggs will be distributed according to your staked percentage of tokens in the pool. You can claim your eggs as soon as you have a full egg. Hatching eggs. Step 2. Hatch your eggs by burning 25,000 Dzoo tokens. Hatching will mint a random animal. Each animal holds a different amount of Dzoo tokens, ranging from 17,000 until 125,000. Step 3 is evolving. Evolve your animal by feeding it another animal. This next level animal will almost always hold more Dzoo tokens than the sum of the first 2 NFTs. Each animal can be evolved twice. Evolving your animal changes the visible features. And number 4, you can kill the animal. Burning the animal NFT releases the locked tokens within the animal. Each animal has a different life expectancy. Killing your animal before it has reached maturity will result in a penalty. So basically, you are the Grim Reaper when they get old. You're in charge of expiring the animal, it seems like. So, earn eggs. It says, Every day, a limited number of eggs are distributed over all Degenzoo stakers. The number of eggs distributed decreases every 90 days with 25%, just like the halving mechanism of Bitcoin. Eggs are distributed continuously, so every second you will see your percentage of current egg increase. Your distribution depends on your staked Degenzoo tokens as the percentage of the total number of Degenzoo tokens staked. And there are 24 eggs in total in the game. 18,000 eggs are distributed over 360 days. 6,000 eggs are used for whitelisting. So hatching animals, 100 different animals can be found in the 24,000 different eggs. Eggs can be hatched by staking 25,000 into an egg, which is like locking. Every animal has a different taxonomy for classification of species. All the metadata is written onto the blockchain. All animals differ in rarity, weight, lifetime, and the more endangered the animal, the higher the rarity score. On average, there will be fewer of these NFTs in circulation and therefore more valuable to the collectors. The heavier the animal, the more it has to eat, and therefore the higher of Degenzoo yield. The lifetime determines how long the tokens are locked within the animal, and the multiplier is determined based on the weight and rarity score. So evolving, you can evolve the animal by feeding it another animal. This will result in a higher level animal. The evolved animal almost always holds more Degenzoo tokens than the sum of the first NFTs. Evolving will also change the visible features of the animal. It will result in burning of one NFT, and one NFT will get involved and its metadata updated. You can only evolve your animal when it's leveled up and the animal has passed at least a half of its lifetime. Every animal can evolve two times. Feeding the same animal will lead to a shiny NFT. You can also speed up the animal's lifetime by tranches of 25%. All right, and then killing the animal. Burning the animal, NFT releases the tokens within it. Each animal has an individual life expectancy ranging from about 40 days to about 400 days, like dogs to turtles. Killing the animal before it's reached its maturity will result in a penalty of burned tokens. Burning the NFT on the same day will result in a 40% fee. These tokens will be burned. The penalty decreases linearly over the lifetime of the animal, and the early killing fee is digressive until the end of the lifetime of the animal and is based on the number of staked tokens in the animal. And yeah, so that's basically about it. You could check this token out, like I said, tomorrow on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, and thanks for watching, everybody. Shout out to my new Patreon supporters. Love you guys. Thanks for everybody who's been joining, hitting that join button down there, hitting the super thanks button. You guys are the best. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.